What is going on, folks? So I found it. I found the thinnest case on the block. Let me show it to you today. Let's get into it. So right here in front of me, you can see that I have about 5 cases that I've been trying out from different company. All of these are from different brands, all right? But this one case right here on the right hand side is the thinnest thing that I have ever had on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, so I've been using this thing for about a week now, and I did drop my phone using this case, and it actually saved it. So I think I'm good with making a review on it now. So this case right here is by Peel. Yeah, the name is called P-E-E-L, and it's fantastic. It's actually thin, and at the same time, cool company name, by the way, for a case maker, because literally it's like a piece of plastic that you peel off of your phone. So here, let me just show it to you real quick. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, I'm gonna drop another case on here. First one right here, I just want to show you this case right here. Look how thick this case is. Okay, I mean, you can see. If I put it right here, you can see how thick that is right there. All right, and yeah, it's going to give you some good protection. All right, it even comes with like some bubbles on the corners right here. Okay, and obviously this one comes with a kickstand, so it's pretty cool. Now let me pop the case from Peel on here. That thing comes on pretty easily because it's literally just a wrap on your phone. Check this out. I should go like this right here. So you see that? Super thin. It's like nothing is on this phone at all. Well, actually, I mean, you can feel that something's on it because it's plastic, right? Look at the buttons. How thin that is. Yeah, so literally, like, now the button is just plush with the case. It's like one line with the case. Now the one thing that I have to say though is that they did raise the camera bump right here just so that it can protect the camera, which is a smart decision there. But look at this thing, it's so thin. Okay, so now let me show you the difference between this case and the Peel case. Both are transparent. But look at that. Look how thin that is. This case is super thin. I wouldn't say it's paper thin. I have tried a kind of like a paper thin case before, but this is not paper thin. You can still feel there's plenty of plastic. It's not gonna tear if I were to, you know, rip it like this. There's still some like plastic to it, but it's on the phone. It just feels fantastic. You know, like I said, I've been using this thing for like a week, and I totally love it. Dropped it once. I thought it was a goner, but no. I mean, you can see that there's no scratches at all on this case. Nothing. On a white iPhone, literally, you can't really tell that there's anything on a white iPhone at all. Isn't that great? So that's it right there. That's the thinnest case from Peel. Check them out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.